Hey everyone, welcome to Freelancerwebguru channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix an issue in WooCommerce where you want to add a product directly to the checkout page, but only allow one product at a time to be added to the direct checkout. And this website, I'm now using the cart flow and direct checkout. Okay, so let's scroll down here. You can see all the available pricing plan. Now when I click on this package and it's select subscribe, now it will redirect me to the direct checkout page, and this plan is automatically add to the checkout page. As you can see, the plan is now listed in the order summary. Right now, next I'm gonna add another subscription plan. So I'm gonna click on the 6-month subscription or the 12-month subscription plan. So it will also redirect to the checkout page, and now you can see the new plan, and new plan is also added to the order summary. Okay, so in this video we will fix this issue that user can only add one plan at a time to the checkout, whether through the cart or direct checkout. Okay, so we will remove the other plans from the order summary of the direct checkout form and just want to be added one subscription plan to the order summary. Right, so we will fix this issue now. Here you will see the code. Okay, so don't worry, I will provide this code in the video descriptions. Now I'm gonna back to the WordPress dashboard and click on so I'm gonna click on dashboard, and then I'm gonna scroll down. Here you will see appearance. Inside the appearance you will see the theme file editor, then open it. Make sure your active theme has to be selected. Inside the active theme you will see the function.php. Now I'm gonna click on the function.php file, and let's scroll down at the bottom of this page. At the bottom of this page I'm gonna paste the code here, and now I'm gonna click on update file. Okay, now go to the checkout page and refresh it. So once I refresh the checkout page, you will notice that only last selected plan remain in the checkout form. The previous one is automatically removed. Now let's back to the pricing plan and select another subscription package. Once I click on the subscription, it will redirect to the checkout page, and the previous plan is removed and the new one is added to the checkout successfully. This way you can fix the issue that only one subscription plan is added to the checkout summary, and the previous one has removed and the current one is added to the checkout summary. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.